We're gonna make a gluten-free apple caramel, salted caramel cake, a little savory there. It's so good.
Nice.
And this is brown sugar, about 1.5 cups, and then some maple syrup. It just gives it that little sweet maple.
I'm an upstate New York girl. Everybody loves maple by us.
So we...
yeah, we're maple-loving people.
You just mix
this
that
together.
You're gonna cut and peel, which is already done for us so magically, 2 apples and put them in a beautiful circle like this for presentation.
Then we're gonna butter it though, right?
Oh yes, definitely. Thank you. Yes, do you guys want to mix dry ingredients while we're moving along? So we've got gluten-free flour here and some coconut flour right here.
Yes.
And salt.
And some, a little salt, and then 2 teaspoons of the baking powder, if you don't mind.
I just have to
all of this.
Oh yeah,
that's the coconut flour.
That's half a cup of coconut.
If you love coffee cake and you also love like a caramelly, dense, chewy cake,
does this go on this thing?
Pour it right on there.
Pour it right in.
Who doesn't love salted caramel? I mean, right? It's insane.
It'd be un-American.
Put it all in.
Go!
Jeez, Louise! Now you know.
Imagine this on this. And when it comes out, put flaky sea salt on top.